Have you ever wanted to automatically highlight cells based on a list stored in another sheet? If so, you're in the right place. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll show you how to use conditional formatting in Google Sheets based on data from another sheet. Stay with me until the end, and you'll be able to master this trick in just a few minutes. Let's get started. Step 1. Open conditional formatting. First, open your Google Sheet and go to the sheet where you want to apply conditional formatting. Click on Format from the top menu and select Conditional Formatting. This will open the Conditional Format Rules pane on the right. Step 2. Select the data range. Next, you need to select the column or range where you want to apply the formatting. Click the Select Data Range button and highlight the entire column that needs to be formatted. Step 3. Enter the custom formula. Now here's the key step. In the Format Cells If dropdown, select Custom Formula Is. Then enter this formula equals match C2, indirect data list exclamation mark, a 2:A 0. Let me break it down for you. C2 is the first cell of the column where you want the formatting. Data list, a 2A, refers to another sheet named data list where the criteria are stored. Match checks if the value in column C appears in the list and applies formatting accordingly. Step 4. Choose the formatting style. Now comes the fun part, choosing how you want the highlighted cells to look. You can select a fill color, bold text, or even change the font color. Choose a style that makes the highlighted values stand out. Step 5. Apply and save the formatting. Once you're satisfied with the formatting, click Done. Instantly, all the matching values from the list will be highlighted in your selected column. And that's it. Conditional formatting is successfully applied using data from another sheet. Let's quickly recap. 1. Open conditional formatting from the Format menu. 2. Select the data range you want to format. 3. Choose Custom Formula Is and enter the formula. 4. Set up your desired formatting style. 5. Click Done and watch the magic happen. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Google Sheets tips and tricks. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.